So I got to coat this area anyways because there's some spray texture missing, or some skimming missing over the spray texture of the existing wall here in the corner. And I'm just skimming out this little patch for a once over. Kind of a heavy skim, but not too much. Okay? If you got a 12-inch or a 10-inch knife, you could use that right now. I'm just using this one, which is a 6, to show you it can be done with a 6. Get enough mud on there. Then I can go back and wipe off the excess. Once that dries, there's not much, again, there's not a whole lot there. That'll be dry before I get in there to do the entire walls. Now we're going to end up skimming the entire walls because he's going to put texture on here. And after I remove the wallpaper, there were some iffy spots here and there and some patching that needed to be done. So I wanted to do the patching first, and I'm going to give it a once over on skimming. Could you get by with spray texturing right after this process? Yeah, you probably could, you know. But when they skim these existing walls initially, when they skimmed these, they only skimmed it with one coat over the existing spray texture before they put the wallpaper. When I pulled the wallpaper off, I could see nooks and crannies of where, you know, they didn't do a 100% job. They could have put 2 coats of skimming material on there and they only put 1. And since I'm doing the entire job, it's not going to take me that long to do a final skim coat over this area when I'm done. Then when they put the texture on there, it's going to look primo.
Nice.
It's just that easy. You thought I got lucky on that last go, didn't you? Just put it on. Got the 6-inch knife here. You don't even have to concentrate on wiping it off just yet until you get it on. Now, and wipe it off. Wipe off your knife after a pass or 2, and there you go. I'm going over the patch area just a little bit further than where it was before. That'll blend it in to the existing. See there? Gonzo. Hey, the last thing you want to do is forget about any certain areas. And every time I come over here to do patching, I keep forgetting to look at this area here, okay? So don't forget to get everywhere. If I get this fixed for you, will you be happy then?
I would be so happy, VideoJoe. Thank you.
Okay, that's what I wanted to hear.